And
you hear sounds?
okay.
You hear sounds?
And went to school in Jamaica or here in Florida?
I went to school up to primary school,
Okay.
and then I came here
Ladies and
in
gentlemen.
2003.
And
Boys and
what are
girls.
you doing right now in terms of your own personal development?
I'm currently a
We have
registered nurse,
the
so
Mellow Groove
that's what I'm
Steel
doing.
Orchestra
Okay.
on the stage
And
right now.
is that what
You
you've
know who they
always
are?
wanted to do?
The
And if
Mellow
so,
Groove Steel Orchestra
who would you
loves
say
steel
has
music.
been your inspiration in that regard?
That is what I always wanted to do, but I actually want to advance it to become a nurse practitioner. And I would say my parents were the ones that kind of encouraged me in it because my mom's also in the medical field. So I guess I was always surrounded by it, so I decided that that's something I should do as well.
Yes. And what purpose are you serving at this year's 15th annual Grace Jamaican Jerk Festival? Outside of just letting everybody know that you're Miss Jamaica, Florida.
Right now, we're going to be promoting and trying to help to raise money to give back to the schools. And so the goal, I believe, is it $1 million? Or
2 million. 2 million.
2 million. So that's what we're going to be doing, trying to get people to sign up and kind of bring back to our home
Are you
country.
ready out here?
And you say we, it means you're not going to be alone today.
Absolutely not. I have the 3 other queens that will be coming. They're coming a little bit later. So we have the Junior Miss, the Little Miss, and the Miss.
Are you
So they'll be
ready?
here with me. We're all a team.
Let's go.
Excellent. All the best, Shanique.
Thank you so much.
All right.